do not run out of juice. How to save battery life on your iPhone? Does your iPhone battery need a boost? These Apple iPhone battery tips and tricks will help get you through the day without a charge. It is through to exit without a smartphone these days. So much of our lives are contained inside these tiny devices that we do not want them running out of use at in time. But thanks to Apple clinging to its proprietary lighting cable for so long, there was always a compatible charger at the ready until the iPhone 50 launched with a USB-C charging port. In our test, the iPhone 50 Pro Max offered our 20 hour of battery life. But what if you have an older model that's struggling to last all days? Normal wear and tear and our own bad habits will degrade your battery over time. Apple has also been known to battery performance. Apple the 29 battery replacement program is long gone, but the self-service repair store sells replacement batteries you can install yourself yourself at around. If you would prefer to eke out a few more months without paying for a new batteries or iPhone through here are something to try before you can monitor your battery life. You need to know actually what you are looking at. The iPhone battery icon in the top right corner of the screen. How much use is left on the device, but it's not a very precious measurement of battery life. You can see the exit battery percentage left by opening the control center. But if you want that information at a glance in the phone top right corner, you need to turn on the future add to setting battery and enable battery percentage. The battery icon will then show a number, making it easier to monitor battery life. Note that the iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 30 mini will needs iOS 61 for the option to slow the battery percentage. One of your strongest weapon against battery drill in low power mode. With it enable your phone only perform the most of tasks, so background activities like download and mail fetching are displayed. Low power mode will automatically kick in when the battery falls below 20, but you can also activate it manually to keep your phone going for longer. Head over to setting battery and turn on low power mode. You can also add low power mode to the control center. Under setting control center, when activate, the battery icon in the top right corner will turn yellow. Note that this mode will only work if your phone battery is below 80. iPhone screen brightness setting. The greatest hardly in your fight for more battery life is your phone's on screen. Smartphone displays are bigger and brighter than ever, but they are also murder on your battery life. You cannot really get around this fact, but you can turn down the brightness manually. Adjust brightness level is setting display brightness by using the slider bar.